how to make poll on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to make poll on Instagrams. So guys, if you wanna make a poll on your Instagram story, so let's get started. This video is for you. So let's get started. Let's go to Instagram, and then after going to Instagram, let's click one random picture for your story. So let me click a random picture here, and then let me put a filter. And if you wanna apply for a pool, then what you have to do is just click on the sticker icon here. You can see a sticker icon, so just click on sticker icon and you will find an option as pool option here. You can see here, so just click on pool and then you can ask for am I a good human. So you can ask your own personal question. So I'm just asking this, am I a good human? So now you have to click on send to option here. You can see here, just click on send to option and then you can share your story and pull here. Just click here and then click on done option here. So now your pool has been updated, so let's check it out. Yeah, you can see here, just you can click your option also. I will just click yes. So this is how you can make pool on Instagram. Thanks for watching.